Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we're going to start a journey of seeing how many different ways, basically how many different items I can use to escape from these ASP Model 100 handcuffs.
And I'm going to have fun locking them up.
Today, starting with some low-hanging fruit, and just
Down.
I'm going to give it a go with a pick.
Just going to stick the double lock on.
As I'm hoping the camera can see,
Yep.
that's them double locked.
Yep. I'm just going to hold this so you can be in camera view.
And so all I'm going to do is get the pick, stick it in the keyway, and start following the keyway around clockwise. I click there, it should have been the double lock, which it is. And we'll carry on following the keyway around from there, and that's me free. So, very fast way out. That's
so
all
if
from
you
us.
get in cuffs, get a
just
pick.
happen to have a pick in your pocket.
Yep.
See if you can stash one of these somewhere. I'm sure there's a way.
Up your nose.
We might have to get the ways to stash things at some point.
Yep.
That's all from us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.